So as you can see here, it does a pretty good job modeling this intersection. Okay, but once you've changed the targets and edited the target mapping for each one of your regions for your intersection is pretty much done. As you can see here from these blue lines, it's going to maintain this crown here in the middle and then kind of, taper off and include the crown for the rest of the corridor on both roads. If you go ahead and select your corridor and then hit corridor surface, I'm going to delete this one. It's already in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit this little button right here to create a new corridor surface. And then I'm going to specify top as the code. Hit apply, and then it's going to generate a surface for me. It doesn't have the correct style on it. I'm just going to go ahead and change the style to the CVLX PG style, just so you can see the contours. And then I'm going to freeze the corridor so that we can look at the surface. So as you can see here, it does a pretty good job modeling this intersection. It's doing a little bit of funky things with the elevation right here in the middle. That's completely normal, but you can probably just delete these extra contours that are there. This is our proposed or preliminary elevation that we wanted here at the intersection of 870, and then the profile is probably just slightly off because this is the 870 contour here. If I hover over, you can see the elevation is 870. Is not quite in the middle, but it's pretty close. And then as you can see here at the corners, even though there was those bow ties, it still does a decent job of kind of tying in the contours. You might have to edit and change things as needed.